Hello, wherever you are, see me. You're welcome to class. This is the Igbo Tutor live. So you are a member of the channel. Sorry, we were in the live class for members earlier, but it appears there is a technical problem. It couldn't work as expected. So I'm sorry about that, but here we are again. So if you are still online as a member of the channel, do well to join back right now. And if you are not a member and you happen to be seeing me now, this is the Igbo Tutor live. Do well to join us wherever you are and let's have this class together. You are welcome to class. This is the Igbo Tutor live. So if you are hearing me and you are in the class now, indicate you are here, drop your greetings. I don't know what happened in the earlier class meant for only members of the channel, but there seemed to be a glitch that didn't allow us to continue. We're not hearing each other. But good enough, I'm back. So if you're around, you're still available, do well to rejoin this class right now. Nake, sorry about that. Mr. Mehe, Princess, whoever is still there, Dr. Blahi, you're welcome back to this class. Let's continue with this class right now. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. Here, we practice Igbo speaking comprehension, listening skill, and comprehension. And of course, trying to make sentences based on what we have known over time. The live class is meant to test your level of knowledge of Igbo language. So wherever you are, you're interested in hearing and speaking Igbo language and writing Igbo language, you are welcome to the class for the Igbo tutor. Let's do this together. I am the Igbo tutor. When you are in the class, the first thing to do is to drop your greeting. Say ndewo, daalụ, no. Say something, write something in the chat. That way, we know you are in the class. We welcome you officially. We say no, ndewo na class. Then we go on to learn together with you. This is open free live class for Igbo language. So when you are in the class, the first thing to do is to say ndewo in the chat, or no, or hello, or hi, whatever you can say. Drop it in the chat now. That way we can pick your name, drop our greetings back to you, and communicate with you. This is a live class. So do that now as we continue. This is the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. Who is there in the class? Let's have your communication. Let's have you drop a chat, a greeting in the chat. Let's come to class right now. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Let's do this together. Who is here in the class? Who is in the class? Onye nọ n'ime ụlọ akwụkwọ. Let's do it together. Okay. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Drop your chat. Drop your chat. Say ndewo. No. Let's learn Igbo language on the go, live. Okay? Where are you? You've been watching videos for Igbo lessons over time. You need to measure your level of progress so far, know where you need to improve further, how you need further assistance. So, where are you? If you are in the class, you are welcome. You do well to be in the class now. Drop a chat so that we can begin the class immediately. Once I see your chat, I know you are here. I want to call you by your name. I want us to learn together. Drop a chat, say, I am here. I am in the class. So we can begin. Where are you? Yes, I'm waiting for you. Who is the first? Who want to learn Igbo language first today? Who is there? Who do I have in the class? Drop a chat. Let me see you right now if you are in the class. Drop your chat now. The Igbo tutor is live. Onye nkuzi Igbo nọ n'ime ụlọ akwụkwọ, nọ n'ime class. Bịa ka anyị mụọ Igbo mụ na gị. Come, let's learn Igbo, me and you. Bịa ka anyị mụọ asụsụ Igbo. Let's learn Igbo language together. Where are you right now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? I'm waiting for you. Who is in the class? Who is in the class? Who is in the class? Let's do it together. The Igbo tutor is live. Okay. Steven Success, you're here. Ndewo, sir, my first name here is in a long time. Okay, there was my first time here in a long time. Okay, this is Otuya Symphony Success. Dewo, I believe, I think you're a lady or a lady or a man. Let me know how to return your greetings to you. Is it Ndewo Otuya? I don't know. I wanted to call you, give you your identity. Otuya, a lady, sir. Okay. Wada Otuya. That's what I wanted to do. Wada. Okay. Otuya. That's what we call ladies. Wada. Daughter. Okay. So Ndewo Otuya. Who else is joining this class now? Okay. No. Now let's begin. While we are waiting for others to join the class of 2 years, you are lucky to be here today. This live class is meant for only channel members, but we had a challenge technically, so we have to make it open for everybody for today. But next Saturday, you should know it's only for channel members. Let's begin while others join us. Now we have done the first thing. They will, that is how we say welcome. Okay? But generally, when we say welcome, we say no. Okay, that is our welcome in Igbo. No, that is welcome in Igbo language. So, what we do here is that I'm going to speak Igbo language. This is called practical comprehension class. I will speak Igbo language. You try to listen to me, see whether you can understand what I said by listening. So it is a listening skill, listening and comprehension test for Igbo language. So I will speak the language. You will listen to what I say, comprehend it, and try to repeat what I've said, possibly in English language in the chat. That way, we can be able to know whether you understood what I said or not. Is that clear? That is the rule here. Tuya, are you okay with that? Can we go? Ready for this? If you know you are in the class, please drop your greetings. Write something in the chat. Write Ndewo, no, Kedu, anything you can write. Hi, whatever you can write in the chat. That is the way we can record your presence in this class right now. So let's go. Otuya. The first sentence we're going to ask is Kedu ahagi. Kedu ahagi. That is the first sentence. Kedu ahagi. If you understand what I said, can you write what I said in English? Kedu ahagi. Write it in English. That is what we are doing here. Listening and comprehension. Kedu ahagi. Write what I have said in the chat in English. Otuya. Kedu ahagi. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Who is doing that first? Anyone in the class? Okay. What is your name? Ooh, that's good. That's good. That's good. We'll give it to you. Otuya. Okay. Now you've got the first test. Now you are going to reply my question now by saying, my name is Otuya. Write that in Igbo language. I will not tell you the one. My name is Otuya. Write that in Igbo language. Write that answer in Igbo language. My name is Otuya. So we are swapping the language. Code switching, code mixing. We give in Igbo, we give in English. We move from here to there to test our ability. Okay, so write in Igbo, my name is Otuya. Write that in Igbo. Let's see how much you can do that. Let's go. Let's go. Wanda Otuya, are you there? Who else is in the class? Indicate you are in the class. Say, I am here. In the chat. Right? I am here in the chat. Yes, Otuya, I'm waiting for you. My name is Otuya. Write that in Igbo language. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Waiting for you to do that. If you are seeing me right now, you are lucky to see me today. This is the live class with the Igbo tutor. So we're learning Igbo on the go right here live. So join this class now and learn Igbo language with us on the go. Let's go. Otuya, are you there? If you don't know how to write it, say I don't know so I can help you out. Okay. Okay. My name is Otuya. Write it if you know how to write it. If you don't know, say I don't know. Okay. Yes, sir. I have written it. Okay. But I've not seen it now. You wrote that. I didn't see where you wrote my name is Otuya in Igbo language. I only see yes, sir. I have written it. Can you repost it? I can't see it. What I saw is what is your name. I didn't see my name is Otuya in Igbo language. Okay? I didn't see that. You wrote yes, sir. I have written it, but I did not see it. Can you retype it or repost it? Yeah, can you repost it? Mazemehe, welcome back to class. Sorry about what happened earlier. Okay. Otuya, please repost it. I can't see it. I can't see it. I can't see your response. I can't see your response. My name is Otuya. You have to write it in Igbo language. I have not seen it. I have not seen it. Can you redo it? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Can you redo it? Can you redo it? Otuya. Write it in Igbo language. My name is Otuya. Yes. Can you redo that? Can you redo that? I am waiting for you to redo that. Okay. Are you doing it or someone else should help you? Okay, Mr. Emehe, can you write my name is Emehe in Igbo language? Maybe Otuya will get it from there because I didn't see her response. I only saw her wrote, what is your name? Okay, I needed a response to that. My name is this. You put your own name, whatever is your own name, put it there. Okay, my name is this or that. Yes, waiting for you. If you are seeing us now, you want to learn Igbo language on the go in a live setting, join us now. This is live Igbo class, free of charge for everybody. So you do well to join us now and learn with us. Okay? Emehe, I'm waiting for you. My name is this. Okay? Okay. Humble. Clement. Excellent. Excellent. Otuya, this is what you are supposed to do. I don't know whether you have done it. I didn't see you do that. Okay, I didn't see you do that. Ahambo Clement. Ekele dịrị Chineke. Okay. Onye ebe ka ibo. That is the next sentence. Onye ebe ka ibo. Please write what I've said in English. Don't give me the answer. Exactly what I said, write in English. Onye ebe ka ibo. This is live Igbo class. Onye ebe ka ibo. Onye ebe ka ibo. That is a question. What did I ask? Okay, I've seen your 2 years answer. I've seen, okay, you are deleting it. Why are you deleting it again, Otuya? Why are you deleting it? The next sentence is Onye ebe ka ibo. Write what I've said exactly in Igbo language. Onye ebe ka ibo. The first test is to be able to comprehend what I've said and interpret the meaning in English. And then we can give a response to it. Onye ebe ka ibo. Yes, what did I say? Onye ebe ka ibo. All right. Otuya, you have tried. Onye ebe ka ibo. Oh, excellent. Good work. Where are you? Where are you from? Okay. Where are you? Okay, your people from. Okay. Onye ebe ka ibo. Okay. All right. In that ebe is always double E. Ebe, not EBE. EBEE. Onye ebe ka ibo. That's good effort from Otuya. Okay, where are you from? Clement, well done. So the answer should be what? You will answer it as it is peculiar to you. I am from this place or that place. I am from Nigeria. I am from America. I am from here. I'm from there. So you write your own as appropriate to you. The question is, Onye ebe ka ị bụ? How will you respond to that? Respond. Otuya say, abụ m onye Nigeria. Good effort, good effort, good effort. Mr. Emehe, kedu ihe i kwuru? What do you say? Okay, I'm waiting for Emehe. Who else is in the class? If you don't drop a chat, I won't be able to call your name. I won't know that you are in the class. So you do well to drop a chat so we can pick your name and communicate with you directly. Yes. Okay. Otuya has answered that question. Clement, I'm waiting for you. Okay. Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Otuya, even though you are BU should have dot under the U, but maybe you don't have the keyboard for Igbo. That is understandable. Yes. Mr. Clement, we're waiting for your response. Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Yes. I don't have the keyboard for the Igbo. Yeah, I can understand that, Otuya. I can understand that. But it's actually easy to install in your phone, and computer. It can be done. You don't need to buy a keyboard. You install the prompts, and it will give you Igbo keyboard. Go into if you are using phone, you just go to language setting, go to language input setting, and go to language and look for Kwati Igbo, and it will give you Igbo keyboard. Okay, Clement say Anam Ebe America. Anam Ebe America. Okay, maybe you want to say I am in America. Maybe that is what you want to say. Is that what you want to say, Mr. Clement? Is it I am in America? Is that what you mean? Or you wanted to write Anam Ebe America? Is that what you want to write? I am from America or I am in America? Which one do you want to write? Because the two are not the same for Igbo. The two are not the same for Igbo. Okay. So you want to say I am in America. Okay, the two are not the same. But what I ask is where you are from, not actually where you are living. But if you want to say I'm in America, okay, it is Anum na America. Okay, that is how that one goes. Anum. Oh, sorry, that is something is missing from my sentence. I remove it. Something is missing there. It is Anum. Okay, Anum na America. This is I am in America. Anum na America. Okay. But what I ask is where you are from, not actually where you are living. So Otuya's answer is more appropriate. Abumonye, Nigeria. You can say Abumonye, America. I'm from America. Abumonye, China. Abumonye, Canada. Abumonye, I am. We're talking about your native, your resident, where you come from as your origin. Okay. But where you are living is Abim. Okay. So where you are is one thing, but Anum, where I am now is Anum in America. You can also say Abim. Abim na. Okay. Nigeria. Okay. Abim na Nigeria. That means I'm living in Nigeria. Abim na Nigeria. I live in Nigeria. So Anum na Nigeria is I am in Nigeria. Abim na Nigeria is I live in Nigeria. Abumonye Ziagu. Better. I am from Ziagu. That is excellent. Okay, so you should know whichever you want to say. Abumonye Nigeria. I'm a native of Nigeria. Abim na Nigeria. I live in Nigeria. Anom na Nigeria. I am in Nigeria as a location. Abumonye Nigeria. I'm a native of Nigeria. Clement say Abumonye Eziagu. I am from Eziagu. Eziagu Dinana Enugu State, nke Nigeria. Eziagu, that is in Enugu State, Nigeria or the ma? None. If you have joined this class, you do well to register your presence by dropping a chat. Greet us saying, Dewo. No. Hello, this is Igbo class live. So drop your greetings if you are in the class. That way, we know you are here. We mention you by your name and communicate with you. This is a live class. Dalono. Let's move on. You can also do well to share this live class so that others can join. Remember to hit the like button beside my channel name so that YouTube can show this to more people. Hit the like button and share it out as we go on. Thank you for doing that. They will email. All the map. Next question, next conversation. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? That is the question. What did I ask? Don't give me the answer. Let's deal with the question first to be sure we understood the question before we give the answer. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Write the question the way I asked it. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Give me the question. Okay, Nnake back. Thank you for coming back, Nnake. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? That is the question now. Nnake said, what are you doing over there? It's good response. Good response. Good response. Good response. Okay. So, who else? Any other alternative? What are you doing over there? That sentence is very correct. So, we are going to respond to this question by each person according to what you are doing, where you are. It cannot be uniform. So you respond by telling us what you are doing, where you are right now. What are you doing there? Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Let's go. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Good one or two, yeah. Like that. I like that. Okay, good effort. Good one there. So tell us what you are doing where you are in Igbo language. Everybody's own must be different from the other person. It has to be different. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? What are you doing over there? What are you doing there? Give me your response now. Your own must be peculiar to you as to what you are doing right now, where you are. Let's go. 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 Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Answer this question. Answer this question now. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Zaa ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Answer it in Igbo language. Let's go there. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Zaa m ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Ngwa. Let's answer it. Symphony, where are you? Nake, Clement, let's answer this question. If you are seeing us right now, and you are interested in learning Igbo language, you do well to join this live class. It is a free live class for everybody for today, but it's always meant for our channel members every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. But today, due to technical issues, we have to restart and make it public. So you are lucky to see us right now, but do well to join our channel membership so that you can participate next Saturday. Thank you for doing that. Email Makimenka. Okay, I got a first response. Anamaba Uboala. Hey, good one from Nake. Okay, who else is responding? Otuya, gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Clement, gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Answer the question now. Some of us have not hit the like button. That's not fair enough. Please hit the like button and share this live class. Okay? Clement say, Ana m jere n'ụzọ n'ime ụgbọala. Ana m jere n'ụzọ n'ime ụgbọala. Good effort. We're going to review that and see what it is. Okay? Otuya, I'm waiting for your answer. Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ? Got two responses from Nake and Clement. Who else is responding to this? You're seeing us right now live. This is the Igbo tutor. We teach Igbo language live every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. But this is actually for channel members. So you are lucky to see us now. Do join us now. Join our channel membership to participate every Saturday. There are other packages for channel members like free ebook every Saturday, which is also having audio book in it. So, and then a chance to contact the Igbo tutor directly for assistance. So join our channel membership today, and you'll be glad you did. What are we saying? We are doing Igbo listening and comprehension, and then we're repeating, proving how much we have advanced in Igbo, how we can understand spoken Igbo language and translate it to meaning and act based on that. That is what we're doing here now, and we're making progress. The question we ask is, "Gịnị ka ị na-eme n'ebe ahụ?" And we are getting the answers now. Someone wrote, "Ana m agba ụgbọala." Good one. Someone wrote, "Ana m ejere n'ụzọ n'ime ụgbọala." Good one. Someone wrote, "Abụ m nwa akwụkwọ." Oh, that is Otuya. Abụ m nwa akwụkwọ. Okay, I think you want to say, I'm a student, right? Okay, I think that is what you want to say. Otuya, is that what what you meant? Okay, let's do the marking. I don't know if you are in this class and you have not dropped your greetings, you are not doing well. Just say hi, ndewo, daalụ. Just say something, drop a chat, anything you can say. That is the only way we can know you are in the class and pick your name and communicate with you directly. This is a live class. Do that now, and then we can mention your name, we can communicate with you, can get responses from you and attend to your questions directly. That is what we do here. Okay, let's look at what we wrote. Nake's answer is very correct. Ana m agba ụgbọala. I'm driving a car. That is what he said. Clement said, "Ana m jere n'ụzọ n'ime ụgbọala." Did you say I'm traveling on the road in a car or in a vehicle? Is that what you mean, Clement? I'm traveling on the road in a vehicle. If that is what you mean, say yes, so that we can correct that sentence. I'm traveling on the road in a vehicle. Okay, that's what Clement means. Let's do a correction of that. An anam Anom na njem. Okay, ana m aga n'ụzọ. Let me make it a little bit easier. Ana m aga n'ụzọ. Ana m aga n'ụzọ. Okay. N'ime ụgbọala. N'ime ụgbọ ala. That is a better sentence. Ana m aga n'ụzọ n'ime ụgbọala. Not ana n'ime ụgbọala. That would have been the perfect sentence to use there. Right? That is for Clement. Then is either you say ana m eje or ana m aga. Both are correct. And then Tuya said, "Abụ m nwa akwụkwọ." All right. But we'll always prefer nwata akwụkwọ, nwatakịrị akwụkwọ, or nwata akwụkwọ. Okay. Nwa is just, nwa doesn't make it really complete. Nwata akwụkwọ is always better. But it's all fine. Oh, the ma. Some of you have not hit the like button for this live class. That is not fair. Hit the like button beside the channel name. Please do that now while we proceed. And share this, hit the share button too to share this out as we move on. Thank you for doing that. Emailer, Maka, email. When you join this class, the first thing to do is to drop a greetings, say hi, ndewo, daalụ, and then we can pick your name and return greetings back to you. Thanks for doing that. Ngwa ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Ọ dị mma. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga ma emesịa? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga ma emesịa? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga ma emesịa? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga me emesia. This is Igbo language listening and comprehension. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga ma emesia? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga ma emesia? Yes. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga ma emesia? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga ma emesia? Good one. You tried. Tuya. You are doing well. Yes, 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 yes. You do well. You do well. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga ma emesia? Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ? Where do you want to go later? Good. That is a good interpretation. All of you are doing very well. Okay. Now tell us where you want to go after this class. After this class, say, I will go to so 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 place. I will go to so 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 place. Mention the place you want to go. I will go to so so place afterward. I will go to so 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 place afterwards. Say it in Igbo language. Write it in the chat. I will go to so so place afterwards. Okay. Let's go. Let's go there. I will go to so 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 place afterwards. Write that in Igbo language. Let's go. We are waiting for who will shoot that first. Who will shoot that first? Aga m aga ahịa ma emesịa. Otuya, you are very strong. Oh. Otuya no gree at all at all. Oh. Okwechiri ekwechi. I like that. Otuya, where are you going to school? Where are you staying? Nigeria or outside Nigeria? Where are you schooling? Kedu ebe ị na-aga akwụkwọ? Otuya, kedu ebe ị na-aga school? Okay, I will go to the market later. Okay, aga m aga ahịa. Yes, that's what you say. That's correct. Ana m ajụ gị, kedu ebe ị na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ? Kedu ụlọ akwụkwọ ị na-aga? Okay, ebe ị na-aga akwụkwọ? Where are you schooling? Otuya. Yes, I'm waiting for others to tell us where they will go later. I'm waiting for others to tell us where they will go later. Schooling in Nigeria. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I want to know the name of your school. University, secondary school. Where are you attending? Clement said, Aga m aga n'ụlọ nne m ka emesia. Okay, good effort. Let's see what Nake is coming up with. Let's see what Nake will say. Okay, University of Ilorin. Great, great, great. How do we hail you people? Is it great Ilorite or what? How do they hail you guys? I don't know. Or is it great Ilorin? How do they hail you people? Because I know I always get to a slogan. Okay. Is it great Ilorin or what do you call yourselves? Okay, Nake, we are waiting for you. How do you what Kedebi Gagame MSC Nake, your response is being awaited. Yes, where are you? Where is your response, Nake? Nake, you're missing in action. Kedebi Gagame MSC. Yeah, I'm waiting for your acronym. Your slogan in Uniloring. What is your slogan there? Okay. What is your slogan? Let me hear you with your slogan. Yes, so you know they easy at all. Yes, yes, yes. Nake, are you still there? Okay. While we are waiting for you, let me make a little correction for Clement Emehe Osiri. Aga m aga n'ụlọ nne m ka emesia. Okay. Anọ m ebe a. Okay, Nake. So why are you not telling us what you do afterwards? Nake. Ngwa gwa anyị ihe ị ga-eme ma emesịa, Maazị Nnake. Gwa anyị ihe ị ga-eme ma emesia class. Okay, let me make correction for Clement. Aga m aga n'ụlọ nne m ka emesia, not ka. It should be ma emesia, M-A, not K-A. Afterward, it's ma emesia, not ka emesia. I hope that is clear, Mr. Emehe. It is ma emesia, not ka emesia, right? Ma emesia and not ka emesia. Is that correct? Or the Nake, you have not told us what you do afterwards. Okay? And many of you refuse to hit the like button for this live class. That is not fair to your teacher at all. It doesn't cost you money, just your thumb to hit the like button, and that's all. Hit the share button and share it out. That's all. Do that now, please. There will. Ndo Allah chigum. Okay. Allah chigum. Maybe you left before. Okay. Where we are is that we ask the question, kedu ihe ị ga-eme ma emesịa? What will you do afterwards? Like after this class. That is where we are. And many people have written their answer. No, Clement wrote, aga m aga n'ụlọ nne m ka emesịa, which have been corrected. Tuya wrote, I will go to the market. Aga m aga ahịa ma emesịa, which is excellent. So what is Nnake saying? Gịnị ka ị na-ekwu, Maazị Nnake? Gịnị ka ị ga-eme ma emesịa? Gịnị ka ị ga-eme ma emesịa? We are moving on from there. Okay? We're moving on from there. Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. We're using Otuya sentence. Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. That is the next sentence. Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Is a plea. Ngwa, let's write that first. What I've said. Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Let's write that now. Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Write what I have just said now in Igbo language. Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Write what I've said before we respond to it. Aga m eme azụmahịa. Okay, good one. Aga m eme azụmahịa. I will do shopping. That is what that means. Okay, that's fine. Aga m eme azụmahịa. I will do shopping. That's great. Okay, I now said, Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. What did I say? Write what I've said in English. Don't repeat it in Igbo. Write it exactly in English. Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. What we are doing is Igbo comprehension. You listen to me and comprehend what I've said and see whether you understand what I've said. Write it in English and then we'll respond to it. Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Somebody has written, please buy me things at the market. Oh, a good one from Clement. Who else is responding to that? Is Clement right or wrong? Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Yes. Zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Biko. Yes. What did I say? Write what I've said in English. Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Right what I've said. Nake, please buy me things at the market. Oh, good one. Good one. Otuya, what did you say to this? Do you agree with them or you have another version of it? Biko, zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. What is Otuya saying to this? Same sentence or a new version, amended version, or what? Biko, zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Yes. What are you saying? What are you saying? Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Tuya, what do you say to this? Do you agree with them or you have a new version? Biko zụtara m ihe n'ahịa o. Okay, you are repeating the same thing, which means you agree with them that what I said is please buy me something at the market to correct. Okay. You now respond to me and ask me, what should I buy for you? What should I buy for you? Write what I have said now in Igbo language. What should I buy for you? Write it in Igbo language. What should I buy for you? Mhm. Okay, the next sentence is already said. What should I buy for you? Write what I have said in Igbo language. What should I buy for you? Write what I've just said now in Igbo language. What should I buy for you? Write it in Igbo language. What should I buy for you? Let's go. Who is shooting first? If you have joined this class, you would do well to drop a greeting, a chat, say ndewo, no, dalo in the chat. That way, we recognize your presence in the class and greet you back and communicate with you. This is a live Igbo class. So do well to do that now. Drop a chat, greet us. This is Igbo family. Greet us, and let's greet you and let's learn together. All right? No. Okay, I said the sentence is, okay, what should I buy for you? That is the sentence. Write it in Igbo. Nnaka is in. Gịnị ka m kwesịrị ịzụrụ gị? Now the sentence is, what should I buy for you? What should I buy for you? Okay. So here you are still writing the initial sentence, but we have moved on from there. We are in the next sentence. What should I buy for you? So write that in Igbo. I got answer from Nnake. Gịnị ka m kwesịrị ịzụrụ gị? Clement. Gịnị ka ihe zụtara m maka gị? Good one. Otuya, I'm waiting for you. What should I buy for you? Write that in the chat in Igbo language. What should I buy for you? If you are in the class and you didn't drop a chat, you didn't respond, you didn't greet us, we will not be able to know you are in the class. We won't mention your name, we won't communicate with you directly. This is a live class. So the best way to participate is to drop a chat. It can be greeting, it can be contribution, you can just say something, make effort, do something. That's the only way we can see you, can hear you, mention your name and welcome you to the class and communicate with you. That's why it's a live class. So drop a chat now. There we go. Okay. What should I buy for you? That is what we are looking at. That is what we are looking at. What should I buy for you? 2 years, I'm waiting for you before we mark the script. Some of you have not hit the like button. That is not fair for your teacher. It's not fair. Please do that. What should I buy for you? Okay. We have 15 more minutes to round up this class. What should I buy for you? 2 years, I'm waiting for you to respond to this. What should I buy for you? Write it in Igbo language. What should I buy for you? 2 years. Waiting for your response. Write what I have just said in Igbo language. What should I buy for you? Yes, waiting for you to do that. Waiting for you to do that. What should I buy for you? Gịnị ka m zụtara gị? Okay, you try. Okay. Canary King, kedu ihe na-aga egotara gị? Canary King, good effort. Canary King, you made a good effort. Welcome to our live class. Good one, Canary King. Okay, let's mark our scripts. Nnake said, gịnị ka m kwesịrị ịzụrụ gị? Okay, what should I buy for you? That is also correct. That is also correct. What should I buy? Okay, it's correct in a way, but you can simply say, Gịnị ka m ga-azụtara gị? Gịnị ka m kwesịrị ịzụtara gị? I think the kwesịrị there is what you should normally, what you should. That's why you put kwesịrị. But ordinarily, we can just say, Gịnị ka m ga-azụtara gị? What will I buy for you? What should I buy for you? Is also correct. So, Gịnị ka m kwesịrị ịzụtara gị is correct. Gịnị ka m ga-azụtara gị is correct. Like, kedu ihe m ga-azụtara gị is also correct. So, this guy wrote, Emeghe, Gịnị ka ihe zụtara maka gị? That is not very good. It's complicated. It's complicated. It's very complicated. So you have to make it a little bit simpler. It's Gịnị ka m ga-azụtara gị is very simple that way. Not zụtara maka gị. No. Okay. Now, Stephen Otuya wrote, Gịnị ka m ga-azụtara gị? The ga should be followed with A before Z. G-A dash, then, okay, A-Z-U-T-R-A and G-I. So, ga-azụtara gị. So, that I'm talking to Otuya now. The G-A dash, the azụta, had to be in front of zụtara, azụtara gị, to make it complete. Canary, kedu ihe m ga-egotara gị? The way you wrote it, the tara is standing alone as if it's a new sentence or a new word, but it shouldn't be so. Egotara gị should be together, is one word. Kedu ihe m ga-egotara gị? And you're going to join it with a hyphen. I'm talking to Canary now. You can write it this way. Kedu ihe m ga, put a dash, egotara gị. I'm talking to Canary for this. Kedu ihe m ga-egotara gị? This will be very correct. Canary, king. If you write it this way, it will be perfect. Okay. 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 Otuya wrote, Gịnị ka m ga-azụtara gị? You still repeated the same thing again now. Gịnị ka m ga? You wrote G-A and then zụtara gị. The G-A is okay. You put dash and then put azutara, A-Z-U-T-A-R-A. But you are not putting the A in front of zutara. It should be there. I'm talking to Otuya now. So it should be Gịnị. Let me correct Otuya. Okay. Something is happening here. Okay. My keyboard is not responding. What is the matter? Something is wrong here. Why is it not responding? The I is not responding to my prompt. I don't know why. It's not responding to the Igbo prompt. I don't know why. Okay, let me use English. Gịnị ka? Gịnị ka m ga? Okay, I think I've written something like that. Kedu, okay, I used kedu before. Gịnị ka m ga azụtara gị? I don't know why my I with dot under is not responding again. So Tuya, this is what it should be. Gịnị ka m ga-azụtara gị? Talking to Tuya now. That is what it should be. All right. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what to buy for me. I will say, Biko zutaram, Biko zutaram achicha. Biko zutaram achicha. Biko zutaram achicha. What did I say? Write what I've said in English. Translate what I've said into English. And write it in the chat as English. Biko zutaram achicha. Biko zutaram achicha. Okay, Otuya has written, please buy me biscuits. Let's see. Let's go. Biko zutaram achicha. Who else has any other opinion? Biko zutaram achicha. Let's go. Biko zutaram achicha. Any other opinion? Clement, please buy me bread. Great. Yes. Any other person contributing? Biko zutaram achicha. Biko zutaram achicha. Yes. Who else is saying something different from these two? Somebody say, please buy me biscuit. Another person say, please buy me bread. Any other opinion or you agree with them? Biko zutaram achicha. Do you agree with them or you have a different opinion? Biko zutaram achicha. Okay. The truth is that both biscuit and bread have the same name. They are both achicha. So both of you are correct. Coincidentally, both of you are correct. So you can call biscuit achicha in Igbo. You can call bread achicha in Igbo. Both of them are made with flour. Okay, and they are all called achicha in Igbo. Okay, we can call it achicha beke. Okay, English, bread. Okay, achicha is fine. Okay, so I ask you, Biko zutaram achicha. Okay, please buy me bread or buy me biscuit. Both are correct. Okay, and what will you tell me? Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. That is your response. Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. What did I say? Okay, Nake, you are right too. Please buy me bread. Correct. That is Biko zụtara m achịcha. You now said, Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. Let's go. Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. What did I say? Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. What did I say? Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. What did I say? Write what I've just said in English. Ọ dị mma. You are responding now. Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. Otuya is in. Otuya is in. All right, I will buy it. Canary, please buy me snack. Okay. Now we've moved beyond that canary. We are now responding to that. We now say, Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. Okay or fine, I will buy it. That is Clement Emehe. Okay. Otuya said, all right, I will buy it. Ọ dị mma, aga m azụta ya. Clement said, okay or fine, I will buy it. Great response. Who has not responded? Canary, respond to that. The Nake family, respond to that. Please mind you that this live class is not free for everybody. It's only because we had technical problem in the exclusive membership class that we made it. We came back in open form because of the technical issues. Otherwise, it is always done for only our channel members every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you want to participate in this live class going forward, you do well to join our channel membership. How do you do that? Look at our channel name in our homepage. You will see the black join button beside. Hit the join button and do the necessary things to join our channel membership. You pay a little fee to get admitted into our channel membership. That way, you can, participate in this live class every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. So I'm talking to Tuya and Canary and the rest of them. You do well to join our channel membership to participate in this live class. Mind you, we don't only that membership does not only qualify you for a free class every Saturday, but a free ebook and audio book every month for Igbo language. So, and then a chance to have a direct conversation with the Igbo tutor. So join our membership today and you'll be glad you did. I do hope that Canary will join a membership, and the 2 year, very, very important you do that. Okay. Canary, did you get what I explained? The 2 year, did you get what I explained about our channel membership? Because by next Saturday, you might not see us live, right? That is exclusive preserve of our channel members. Okay. The 2 year, you got me right. How about Canary? Did you get what I explained about how to participate in this live class? Canary, did you get me clear on that? Please confirm that you got me very correctly. Confirm that. Canary King. Canary King. Your name sounds non-Nigerian. Canary. Are you a Nigerian, or you have? Is this supposed to be a Korean name, or it sounds like Korea or Japan or Canada? Where are you from, Canary? Canary King. Right. Waiting for your response. Confirm you got what I explained concerning how to participate in this live class going forward. Okay. I'm still waiting for response from Nake on it's okay, I will buy it. Canary had not responded to that. Okay, I'm waiting for response to that, and also confirmation that you got how to participate going forward in this live class. Do well to join our channel membership today to participate every Saturday. For those of you in Nigeria, like Otuya, it's very cheap, just 2,000 naira per month. For those of you in Nigeria, but for those of you in diaspora, YouTube fixes the price for you. I don't know. It varies from country to country. I don't know how they do that. So, but you will find out the price for your own country as you click the join button that will be given to you. So, Canary King, did you get me clear on this aspect? As we round up the class now, confirm you got me right. So I want to thank everybody that came to class today, and hope that next Saturday you would have been a channel member and participate in this live class as always. Thank you for coming. Hope to see you next Saturday. Channel members, thank you for making this possible by your payment. Other people were able to have this live class, which is exclusively preserved for you. Thank you for your support always for this channel, for your generosity, and everything you do to keep this light burning all along. I really appreciate you guys. I'm talking about Clement and Meher. You can see their badge, the yellow badge against their name. That shows you they are channel members. Clement and Meher, the Nake family. You are hearing and receiving this class courtesy of their payment every month. So give me a thumbs up for them. Say hi to Clement and Nake family. They are special. They made this class possible by their monthly payment. So say hi to them, appreciate them, and be ready to also support this project. The Igbo language must not die. We keep spreading the news everywhere, helping our wives in diaspora, helping our children in diaspora to learn Igbo language and to connect to our culture, helping every Igbo child anywhere. Yes, this is what we do, and we keep doing it as long as God gives us the grace. See you next Saturday. It's bye for now. Kemesia. Okay, Canary, you're a New Yorker. That's great. That's great. That's great. I hope you join our membership after this class. Canary. I hope so. I hope so. Canary. I hope you do that after this class. Join our channel membership. Will you do that? Yeah. Can you see my message? Yes, I can see your message, Canary. You are a New Yorker. Yeah. I'm asking whether that you are going to join. I hope you will join the membership after this class, Canary. For further assistance to you, you can get a direct contact with me for further help. Yes, that's what I was asking. Yeah, I can see your messages. Is that right? Okay, see you then. Bye.